Hello everybody, this is a quick test of my Unimode 9050 UD addressable file alarm panel. And today I decided that I'm going to test this pull station right over here. If I can get it to focus. Because I haven't tested it before. So here we go. Then, as you can see, they all have audible silence. By the way, sorry for the weird focusing. This camera that I'm using doesn't have an autofocus that works very well. Alright. So, thank you guys for watching, and have a good afternoon, day, or whatever time it is.